In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment on streams in BandLab. We'll keep this simple and clear, so by the end you'll know exactly how to sign in, find the music you want, and leave a comment that shows up right away. First, open your browser and head to the BandLab website. On the home page, look for the Login button at the top right and click it. This takes you to the sign-in screen. To make things quick, choose the option to continue with Google. Using your Google account is convenient and secure, and it keeps you from having to remember another password. You'll see a Google account chooser. Click the account you want to use for BandLab. If you don't see it, make sure you're signed into the correct Google profile in your browser. Next, you may see a prompt asking you to continue and confirm access. Click Continue. This allows BandLab to authenticate you through Google so you can get right into your feed. It only takes a moment, and you'll be directed back to BandLab once it's done. After you're logged in, you'll land on your feed. To discover something to comment on, head to the trending section in the feed. This is a great place to find active streams and new music that people are engaging with. Browse the options and click on the track or stream you want to comment on. You can play a bit to get a feel for the vibe so your comment is thoughtful and relevant. On the track or stream page, look for the comment area beneath the player or alongside the stream. Click into the text field and start typing your message. Be specific and supportive. Mention what you liked, such as the vocals, the beat, or the mix. If you want, add emojis to match the tone. When you're happy with your comment, press enter on your keyboard or click the send button. Your comment should appear immediately in the conversation thread under the track. If your comment doesn't show up right away, give it a second or refresh the page. Keep your feedback respectful and constructive. Creators appreciate clear, kind insights, and it helps build a positive community. You'll typically get notifications if someone replies to you, so you can keep the conversation going. That's all there is to it. You log in, choose your Google account, continue to your feed, pick the music you want to engage with, and send your comment. Thanks for watching, and enjoy connecting with artists and fellow listeners on BandLab.